Lesson 6. Effective Process Management. This lesson is taken from Concept 3, covering practices, processes, and procedures. In this lesson, we will discuss the difference between a practice, a process, and a procedure, and how they are managed. Identify the reasons for documenting all practices, processes, and procedures. Lastly, to recognize the importance of following them. Practices, processes, and procedures. What are they? Let us understand the definitions first. A practice is a set of organizational resources designed for accomplishing an objective. A practice is the capability and resources to carry out one or more processes. For example, the incident management practice would cover the capabilities and resources for managing standard IT incidents or major incidents, including security incidents. In a shared services environment, this practice might also include other areas such as HR and facilities incident management processes. And process comprises the high-level activities to be undertaken. It is a series of steps, actions, and decisions involved in the way work is accomplished in order to achieve a consistent and sustainable outcome. Whereas procedure is the detailed description of the way each step, action, or decision in the process is to be carried out. In other words, it is a fixed step-by-step sequence of activities or course of action with definite start and end points that must be followed in order to correctly perform a task. One or many procedures might be linked together to form a process. For you to work in the service desk, you may require different practices, processes, and procedures. And we will be learning more about this in the upcoming topics. Practice, processes, and procedures management. According to the SDI standards, practice, process, and procedure management designs, implements, and maintains practices, processes, and procedures that are sustainable, measurable, and repeatable. It also plans and monitors the performance of those practices, processes, and procedures, ensuring the appropriate components are available to execute them effectively. Without effective practices to work within, our environment would be chaotic and ill-disciplined. Imagine when you work in the service desk and you need to deal with an incident, but there is no proper practice, process, or procedure for you to follow. In such circumstances, each one working in the service desk might follow their own knowledge and experience without following a process or procedure. Therefore, the effective management and application of processes requires them to be well thought out, sensible, clearly documented, so that every staff in the service desk could follow them easily, and to ensure easy understanding, and also it is applicable to the business environment. It should also be well explained to staff and customers, and everyone who works in the service desk should adhere to this process procedures.